Hot toddies are great when the weather is cold, but I'm Jamaican and I also love ginger tea. I drink it all the time. And today we are going to make a ginger hot toddy. If you've never made ginger tea, there's no real recipe. You basically put in your pot some smashed ginger. Make sure it's smashed, not just sliced, because you really want to expose all the surface area. And then just add some water. We're using about 2 cups, and you just want it to simmer away to get really spicy. Gonna add some lemon and just drop it right in. Did you see the lemon go everywhere? All right, so our ginger tea has been boiling for about 10 minutes and it's already changed colors. It was clear because it was water before, and now it is kind of this tan. What color is it? It's kind of cloudy, and you can tell that there's ginger flavor in it, but let's taste it. It's nice and spicy. All right, now let's strain it off. Cool. All right, so into our mugs, we are going to put in our whiskey, and I'm giving myself about a shot per mug. Again, no recipe here. Next, our honey. We do want it a little bit sweet. Just squeeze in as much as you like. All right, let's give it a good stir. And in goes our tea. Yum. And let's garnish with some lemon. And that's it. This might be my best one. It's super spicy with the ginger, also a little bit lemony. And then because of the whiskey, it's very warming.